I believe the things that make GT Imports different from other independents is the experience of our staff. Our technicians keep up with the latest classes, they're ASC certified, as well as our service writers. They're updated as well.
When you come here, you're going to have a family-friendly experience. The technicians here are factory trained. We keep up on our training every year for all the makes and models. We do the job right. We want the customer to be completely happy, and at the same time, it's going to be a lot more cost effective than, say, going to the dealer.
We go and take those technical classes that the dealer would give out, so I know more about these cars than probably a lot of people that are just getting into it, which is what the dealer hires is young kids out of UTI who doesn't have experience.
We're here to help you and assist you and get your vehicle fixed and repaired in a timely manner, so we can get you back on the road.
I would definitely recommend a family member or a close friend to bring their car to GT Imports. The reason is because I know how honest we are here, and I know that we would never do anything that doesn't need to be done to a car.
What sets us apart mostly is being a family business. We've been around for so long, and we're all mostly family here. So it's nice. Gary's had customers coming to see him for 20, 30 years. Their family comes, their kids come. So it's nice to know that they're talking with his daughter-in-law or with his son, or we have grandpa come in every now and then to help out around. And people really enjoy feeling the family atmosphere when they come into GT Imports.
We have fun interacting with our customers, with the staff. We have an incredible family here. And I like owning it with Gary. I like that we're both in this together.
And because we're smaller, whoever works on your car will take a personal interest in it. You'll probably come to know that mechanic. We buy the proper parts. We only buy quality parts for your automobile. And we have the ability and the training to make sure your car runs in the condition it was when it was new.